Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of esophagus for histology, practical and slide identification. There are 5 identification points of esophagus. Number 1, stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. Number 2, submucosal glands. Number 3, mixed skeleton and smooth muscle. Number 4, longitudinal mucosal fold. Number 5, thickest muscularis mucosa. These are the 5 identification points of esophagus for histology, practical and slide identification. I already upload detailed video of esophagus slide for slide identification, and now I will upload the identification points video also. You can find all general and special histology slide videos and identification points on my channel. If you like my videos, press the like button, and if you new to my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to select the all notification for watching my videos. I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.